Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you my personal nail collection, and all of them are made by myself. I didn't buy them from any shop. And if you like any of the set, you can get it from my Etsy shop or from my IG page. I will leave both the links in the description box. So let's get into the video. So this is the first set that I created, and it is also the latest set, and it's a basic gradient blue nail set with some white details. I used the Rosalind and Madame Glam gel polishes, and I decided to keep it as basic as I can because I want to pop up the gradient thing that I did, and it's in the matte finish so that it looks like a little bit classy look. So I decided to keep it matte and just added some white glitters in some of the nails. Then this is the second set. It's again a gradient set, and I used the blue and pink gel polish from Madame Glam and the white spider gel from Francesca, and I decided to keep it glossy this time and added some golden flakes in it just to give that classy look. And then I put contouring at the bottom of the nails, but not on the top, just to make it look at the part of something. So I decided to just add the contouring at the bottom of the nails. So this is second set. This is the third set, and it's a soft pink gradient nails. This is one of my favorite set that I created. I decided to keep it matte because that was just giving it that bomb look, you can say. So this is the set number 3, and it's my favorite one. It's a basic French gradient nails with some spider gel and some dotted curve, and I decided to keep it simple as I can just to pop up their color. So this is set number 4, a full summer nail set, and I did used again the gradient technique here. I used yellow, orange, red and black gel polish. Then I did the lettering over there and added some palm trees or coconut trees. I decided to keep it glossy because in matte it wasn't just popping up that much, but in glossy look it was just looking pretty, so I decided to keep it glossy. And if you want to buy this set, you can easily get it from my Etsy shop or from my IG. And like other sets that are available, most of them are available on my IG page and some are available on my Etsy shop. So this is set number 5, a basic polka dot nail set, and I added some rhinestones with some carving gel rose that I made by myself on the ring finger, and that just to give the classy look or to make it a little bit luxurious. And I decided to keep it in a glossy look as the previous one, because in the matte one it wasn't just popping up that much, so I decided to keep it in a glossy look. And this is also one of my favorite set, so you can get it from my Etsy or from IG if you want to. And the colors that I added in the ring finger just turned out beautiful. So that is set number 4. Then this is the basic neon set. I decided to keep it matte because in glossy the neon doesn't look that good, so I decided just to keep it matte and added some French tip, very thin French tip lines, and index, thumb and in pinky, just to make it part of the set. So I decided to add the pink, green and orange colors over there just to give the neon look. That this set is actually very trendy these days. So this is the next set, and I love this one. This one is one of my favorite one. It's made using gel again, Rosalind and Madame Glam. And if you see there, if you contact your middle and your ring finger, you can see the lines are continuous, and I love that effect. And then again I decided to keep it matte because that's what just give it that breathtaking look. So this is another set that I've created. Then the next set is this one, and it's made using gel polish and nail foils. And if you remember, a year back there was the trend of the soft foam nail, and I never did it, so I decided to do them, and they turned out pretty good, like the 3D effect, all that. I love that one, and I decided to draw that design on my index and my ring finger. So this is this next set, and it's a basic red and a mustard color, you can call it, with watercolors and golden foils. And I decided to add the glossy stamping over the matte paste, and that just make it look pretty. And the glossy details that are added on other nails, such as the thumb, index and the pinky, you can see it at the reflection of the light, and that just make it look so pretty and beautiful. This is the next set, basic black and white puzzle lace. So even in this one, if you connect your middle ring finger, you can see the line that continues from there. And again, I added a glossy stamping over matte base with golden contouring just to give that look. And I decided to use golden because the golden usually make the nails look better if especially used on black. So this is the next set that I created. And then there is this one, black with mustard, similar to the previous one, the red one, but I haven't used the stamping in here, but I decided to use the silver foil instead of the golden one. And again, I used the watercolors, and I decided to add the green contouring around the mustard nails and the mustard contouring around the green nails just to make them look part of the one unique set. And I decided again to keep it matte finish because I love matte finish, as you can see. And so the next set is this one. It's a basic marble nails, and I used again Rosaline and Madame Glam gel polishes. And the marble nails are made using watercolors. I haven't used the gel polish over here, and I used the chain and the ring finger and just to make it different from the others. And I used the golden flakes and some strapping tape on other nails just to make it go with the theme. And this one was for a collab, so I had to basically do a marble nails. So let's start with the short nails, and this is one of the first set, and it's a basic nude base with the black foil, and it's again in matte finish because I just love matte finish. I don't like glossy that much. Like on some sets it's look beautiful, but on some it just doesn't suit them. So I decided to keep again matte over here, and the black just added that classy touch over there. So that's the next set. So this is the next set that I created. It's a basic floral nails made using carving gel, rhinestones, and obviously the nail foils. And the roses are made using the carving gel. They are red, pink, and baby pink color. And basically this one was for a collab, but then I decided to change it. And if you're gonna wear this one on a wedding or party, they're just gonna catch the eyes because the ring finger is just beautiful. That turned out really beautiful. Then I got this set. It was for a Valentine's Day collab, I think so. And here I again used the carving gel and made the rose using that. And on the middle finger, I just added some hearts over there. And and this one is in a glossy finish with some rhinestone just to give that vibe, Valentine vibe. This is, I think, the first set that I created with using gel, and it's in the animal print. It was again for a collab, and I decided to use animal print nail foil with some rhinestones. I used a clear one just to give that classy look. And this is the next set, and you already guessed the theme. It's a New Year set, and it was again for a collab, and decided to use Madame Glam and obviously the Rosaline gel polish. And it's on the thumb I just wrote 2021 because it was obviously for this year. So this is for New Year set. This is again a basic holographic nail set. I used holo nail foils over black base. And in the ring finger, I decided just to keep it basic with the white base and water decal. And I just love that whole look. Look at that whole shine in the nail. I just love that. So I decided to keep this one in glossy finish. So this is the next set, and as you can guess, this one was for a Christmas party, and you can guess it already from the theme. I just used the golden and the red colors and the white colors, which was the basic color for Christmas. And I just love this set, and I love this set as well because it was one of the first that I created for Christmas. And again, this is another set for Christmas, and this time I decided not to use the golden details, but I decided to use the white over red, and I love that one as well. And the tree just turned out beautiful. Then the next set is this one, made using regular nail polish this time and with rhinestones. And if you connect your ring finger and your middle finger, you're gonna see a kind of C or smile, I think. You're gonna see semicircle or a half smile. So that was my first set that I created for a collab. So that set is near to my heart because it was for my first collab. And again, that one is in a glossy finish. So these are all the sets that I created so far, and if you liked any of them and you want to buy them, you can get them from my Etsy shop or from my IG. I will leave all the link in description box so you can get them easily, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.